Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Today in Snowflake session, we are going to see about hands-on granting roles and access controls in Snowflake. Creating a roles and users. How to create a role? Using the command create role space role name. Create a user. Create user. Username password is equal to default password within the single quotes. Default role is equal to analyst role. Must change password is equal to true. So these are the steps and commands what we are going to use in Snowflake for creating the roles and creating the users and how to assign the role to the user. Step 1, using this create role command, create this new role called analyst underscore role. Then create a user using the command create user. The user name is John. Password is equal to within single quotes you have to give the password. Default role is analyst role which you have created recently. Must change password is equal to true. These are the commands for creating the role and creating the user. Assign role to the user. Grant usage on database. Database name is sales underscore DB. 2. The role, new role is analyst underscore role. Next is grant usage on schema. They are going to allow this user to access this schema. In the previous step, they are going to allow this role to access this database. The second step, they are going to allow this role to access this schema. Similarly, they are going to allow this role to access this table. So, the syntax is grant usage on database, database name, to role, the role name. Grant usage on schema, a database dot schema name, to role, new role name. Grant select on. They can provide all the privileges to access this table. They can select all the rows from the table. To have the select query working on this table for this particular role. Grant select on table followed by database name dot schema name dot table to role, the new role name. These are the syntax we have to follow in creating the roles and users. What are roles? Usage allows access to database/schema. The usage is a command which is going to allow the access to database or schema. The select is the command which is going to allow us the reading the existing table data. Verifying the access. Step 5 is switching the role. Using this use command, use role, you can take over this new role. So, use is the command which allows us to use this newly created role called analyst underscore role. For that command is use role analyst underscore role. Now you will be using this analyst role. Next is test access. Select star from database name dot schema name dot table. So now if you are going to run this query, because in this previous slide, the grant select option has been given for the sales table. So now, when you are going to execute this select statement, you will be able to see all the records from the sales table. If the role has select privilege, query succeeds. Otherwise, the access denied message will be appear on the screen. Use case helps verify the correct privilege assignment. Summary: how to create a role using the create role command from Snowflake. This is going to create a new role. Assign to user. Whatever the new role you have created so far, you are going to assign to the user. Grant privileges. You are going to provide the permissions to those particular users. You are going to provision the user to use the database, use the schema, use the role to select the table. Those provisions you are going to make using this grant privilege command. Control access at the database, schema and table levels. When you are going to create the role and you are going to assign this role to the user and you are going to provision this privilege, it means you are going to controlling the access to the database, schema and the table level. Always follow the role-based security model. It is called RBAC, role-based security model. Keeps your Snowflake environment secure and organized. So this is what about the granting the privileges to the roles and users. We are going to provide these facilities during this course. Daily doubt clarification section. weekly assignments, 6 mini project, 1 major project, interview questions and answer support, resume preparation and assistance, mock-up interview and sessions, course completion certificate once you are done with your course. Internship certificate will be done after the completion of the course. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned to Provoke Tunings for more exciting content like this. If you have any queries regarding today's content or if you have any queries regarding the course, please post your queries in this below form. Provide the full name, mobile number, mail ID, location, and which course you are opting for. Then submit the button. Our team will reach out to you for further queries. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to give liking thumbs up. And please post your comment on the video. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off, Ambika.